Hi guys, I'm doing a fluids change on this 2006 FatBoy today. We'll be doing the primary fluid, the engine oil, as well as the transmission. I'm going to take it for a quick spin to warm it up to operating temperature first. The easiest way to locate your fuel drain plug is to locate your passenger pegs and follow directly around, and it should be located right there. Use a 5/8 socket to remove the engine oil drain plug. And the transmission's drain plug is found between the rear shocks. Using a 3/8 Allen, unscrew the filler plug from the left side of the transmission. Unscrew the oil filter from the front of the engine using an oil filter wrench. Next, unscrew the primary housing drain plug using a T40 Torx driver. After all fluids have been drained, replace the drain plug's O-rings and then screw them back into place. Fill a new oil filter with oil and then screw it into the engine until the filter's gasket's touching the housing, and then give it an additional 3/4 turn. Unscrew all 5 bolts from the primary housing clutch inspection cover. You'll need a T27 Torx driver. Pull the cover and its gasket away from the primary housing, and you'll need to fill it with about 32 ounces of primary fluid. Reinstall the clutch inspection cover with a new gasket. Fill the transmission with 24 ounces of transmission fluid and the oil tank with 3.5 quarts of motorcycle oil. Go for a ride.